Alrighty, guys. I hope that you hear me well and everything is fine. How is everyone doing? What's this song all about? Ooh, quite a lot of new people. Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Anyway, so let me share the screen here. So let me show you what I would like to start working on. So first of all, in the happy New Year, everyone. Yeah, 2024 was a really nice year. Really enjoyed it. But now we are in 2025. So in the previous streams, we have actually created this application. It's called Usual. Oops, not this one, which is available for anyone to grab from iOS or Android. It's available on both. I've just shared the links here, or you can go directly on usual.com here, usual.app, and you can download it. Try it out. Let me know what you think about it. There are a couple of issues that I most probably am going to fix, especially on Android side. There is an issue with the navigation, but yeah, nothing that much. I did some offline off stream things, so I've created those widgets, which are pretty nice. Those are built with Swift UI. Yeah, so you can add. So if you are going to download the app, you will know what I'm talking about. Why I cannot add? For some reason I cannot add. But anyway, so there are multiple widgets. I think you can play around with it. Anyway, so now what I would like to do is to so where it is, the blessing, give me a second. Okay, so Brett actually have created this UI and I was inspired by it. So I would like to start working on it. So he has already built the web application, but I wanted to give it a try on the mobile side as well. So yeah, kudos to Brett for let me actually share the link here to the tweet. 1 second. Alrighty, so I did some offline thingy and I grabbed some colors, basically inspecting the elements and everything. So I grabbed the colors for each individual day, also the background and the gradient and also the selected and also what's the, let me zoom a bit here, maybe now it's better. So what I would like to do now is to start a new project using Expo. So let me close everything here. So let me start a new, do I need this one? Yeah, maybe. So I'll do Banex create Expo app. And the name of the project is going to be Monodo, you know? Why the music have stopped? Okay. So I'm just using Banex create Expo app, you know, with like the default template. Now let's open up the Monodo in the code editor. Put this in the background now. and zoom a bit here. What do I have here? So I have Expo. Do I have Expo router? Yes, I do have it. So now I would like to install a couple of dependencies. So I'll do one Expo install Expo linear gradient. What else do I need? Just do an Expo image. Do I need Expo image? No. And Expo location. So the thing is that this application, where it is. So this application has the temperature basically for today. Oh, let me catch a bit with the chat here. Hey Sevan, hey Umar, hey Felipe, hey Ashish, thanks for joining everyone. Are we going to see some reanimated V4? Yes. Actually, if you haven't seen yet, this stream it's brought to you and it's sponsored by Software Mention, and I've been playing with reanimated V4 for a while now, I might say. Since maybe December, I've played with it, really liked it, and most probably I'm gonna create some tutorials about reanimated V4. So yeah, definitely, we are going to play around with it. Not during this live stream, but I'll have some video tutorials coming up. Have you made a video for uploading photo with details? No. But we can do it, maybe. Okay, so where we were. Okay, so it's here. So we have this, you see, we have the temperature for today, and I was thinking about using Expo location. Ask for permissions to get the location only when using the application. I don't care to get it in the background. Based on which I can have a request to the Open Weather API to get the temperature, and yeah, most probably that's it. And yeah, and I can also add legend state for state management. Okay, great. So let's run this. Oh, and actually native wind. Okay, so let's install native wind. I'll be using native wind. Let me zoom a bit. Expo router install. Okay, so I actually need to install a couple of dependencies, right? So I'll do Banex. I need native wind, Tailwind, reanimated. Yeah, everything is installed here. Okay. What do I need to do? To initialize the Tailwind, I need to paste those things. So Tailwind. Okay. I need the app. Okay. Actually need to do something else. Let me see where it is. Habit tracker, Tailwind. So I'll have app, but I will also need to do this part with the components. Okay, great. Okay, and what else do I need to do? Get a global CSS, so inside the layout, really create here. Where is the global CSS? Where should I create it? global. Should I create it? Yeah, let me create it here. So I'll do global CSS, paste those here, and inside the layout, I'll do import global CSS. Okay, that's one thing. Babel. Okay, let me copy this Babel. I actually need the Babel preset. Yeah. Okay. Let me create here a Babel. Babel.config.ts maybe? Is this TS or JS? No, it's JS. Okay, save this. Modify the metro. Okay, so I'll do bun expo customize metro.config.js. Metro. What else do I need? So I need this part. I need to export this part here. Export this part, and the rest I can remove this. Okay, great. What else? And import the global. Okay, I think oh, this is also for the TypeScript. Let's create this new file. It is new file, something like this. Copy this part. Okay, and I believe I also need to include this, right, inside the TS config. Okay, so I think bun start should be fine. Press I, save this, reload, and hopefully everything should work. So let me close the things here. And let's do some cleanup. Let's do some cleanup. I'm not going to use any tabs, so I'm going to remove the tabs for now. And I'll just have an index.tsx. Export. Oh, how is this new export default function home? And I'll just import the view and the text. Okay, save this. And inside the layout, I'm gonna have the tabs as do I care about it? It's just a stack, right? You know what, index, just keep it like that. Okay, actually I don't care about the header. Okay, and now index layout, you know what? Here. Guys, let me know. Let me know down in the comments if the font size in the VS Code it's okay, right? Otherwise, I need to fix this. Oops, this doesn't exist. If I go here, export default function. Okay. Okay, so we have something to work with. Save area view. Not this one, the other one. Not this one, the other one. Okay. And let's see if this is a class name, text to Excel. Okay, great. So Tailwind is working. Okay. And if I do text red 500, boom. Okay, great. So we have native wind, we have reanimated, we have legend state, we have pretty much everything. Ooh, it's small for you. Let me zoom a bit. Let me know. Yeah, let me know down if now if it's okay. I don't know how to speak English. Like, what the fuck is going on? Anyway, so what we actually need to do now is if we go to the layout, let me open up the other. So we have some configs that let me paste those here. Let me create a new file. So we have some constants and whatever, and we also have a custom font. So Google Fonts. We are going to use this font, okay? So if I go to layout, splash screen, status bar, expo font, use font. Okay, so I need to actually do I need to install it? Yes, I actually need to install it. Expo font. Okay, so I need to install this part. Ban expo install this part, but not inter, rather bar low. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to install a font using Expo Google Fonts and how to feed it to inside the native wind, so you can have custom things, you know, custom fonts and be accessible. Okay, so now because I have installed this, I need Expo Google Fonts below, and I will need the light, the regular, the medium, and the bold, you know. Grab those. Oops. Grab those. Grab those. Boom. So I'll remove space mono. Hit save. And I will do something like this, you know, because I don't know exactly how they are named. So with Google Fonts, if you would like to have like a different name for the font family, you can have it as a key inside this use fonts. So I'll have the same basically name, but now I can so when we are going to load the fonts, we are going to load with those names. From time to time, you know, the font family name may differ, you know, and yeah, we want to ensure that everything it's working properly. So now, because we have this the fonts, you know, we can go to the Tailwind and we can extend the theme, like the default theme, and we can specify a font family, and here we can paste everything. Let's align those and make them something like this. This is B, do a dash, and something like this. So we are extending the default Tailwind CSS theme with a custom font family, which is Barrow, Berlow, 300, 400, 500, and 700. That's pointing to this font family, you know, that we are already loading inside the layout. kind of, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, hit save. I'm not even sure if I need to reload everything. Oh, it's already, it's not even starting. Great. So now hit refresh. Boom. So we have the home here. So if I go to the index, and you know what, I'll think I don't have access to this. Flex one, justify, center, items, center. Is this working? Yeah, so this is working. And now for the home, I would like to do a font barrow. You see, we already have this typed, which is amazing. So if I do it bold, boom, it's bold. This is fantastic, guys. So it's working. So we've added this custom font, okay? And now I would like to also add the, what else we have here? So we have some colors. We can also add the custom color. How to add a custom color? I don't know, to be fair with you, but let's try it out. Where is this? Okay, so let me change a bit the things here. I think the music is okay. Okay. So let's see if we can extend the colors. Theme, colors. Let's see. If I go to Tailwind, I would like to extend colors. I'll do primary is this color. Okay. If I go now to the index, I'll do text primary. Can I do? Yeah, you see. So this is this working? Weird. Okay, so this is actually working. So I was thinking about, you know, the opacity. So this is definitely working. But I'll do something different. Selected. You know. Okay. So text selected. So if I remove the red, everything should work. So text black, for example, it's working. Text selected. Okay. So let me create a GitHub repository. New repository. I'll do React Native Monodo. Not Monodo. The name is there a name here? I'll do Monodo. Doesn't care. That doesn't matter actually. A React Native Todo App. Should I do it public? Maybe. Let's do this public. Okay, so I need to add the things. Git add the remote and add everything. Add initial boilerplate with native wind. Okay. Actually, do I need to do it? They should just... Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is open source now. Yeah, so we have native wind. Let me actually remove other components because we are not going to use them. Haptic tab, parallax scroll, UI. Nah, not really. We're not going to use anything from here. Yeah, just remove those. It's okay. Not found. Yeah, this is just a view. This is just a text. And this is just a text, you know. Import those. We need class name, flex1. It's okay. Flex1, justify to the center, item center, and padding of maybe 4. Do we need a link? Yes. So I'll do class name, margin top, maybe 4, or yeah, and padding vertical, so py4. Okay, let's remove the styles. Okay. So if I do now to the layout and try index 2, nope. So I'll go to the index, link, actually button, title, random route, and on press, I'll go to router, navigate to something. Okay, so this screen doesn't exist. It's okay. Go back. Okay, great. So this is how the thing is going to work. Alrighty. So let me push the changes. Remove unused components for now. 1 second. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, sorry. My son just came. Yeah. family is really important, you know. You need to leave everything out, and yeah, just leave the rest, you know. Family has priority. Sorry about that. So yeah, let's continue a bit. So we have removed everything here. Do we have any hooks? Use color with. Do we actually need about this? Maybe. I don't need this part. The tests. Nope. Okay. Remove tests for now. Epic. Alrighty, let me open up the window. Okay, much better. Okay, so I believe that now we can actually do something in regards to the colors. Maybe we can add the colors. Do I actually? Nah. But I do have some background color, so I'll copy from downloads. What was the name? Finder. What was the name? To do background, to do _bg. So I'll copy this into assets. Basically, what is this part is the noise. So the noise, we are going to use the noise as a background color, and we are going to fill this entire space with the noise and apply it to the linear gradient, okay? So what I'm going to do now, let me close the things here. I'll have a view. Class name is going to be absolute, left 0, top 0, right 0, bottom 0. And I'll give, I don't care about the Z index, right? Yeah, okay. And inside this view, I'm gonna render the image from React Native. Or shall I use an image background? Tricky question. Let me change the music a bit here. Okay. Okay, let's add the source. Require assets and to do bg.png. I'll resize, not this one. Resize mode. Can I do repeat? Okay, and I'll do class name, flex1, absolute, left 0, right 0, left 0, top 0. Right 0, bottom 0. If I do with 200, is this actually working? Maybe. Let's try differently. So I'll do an image background. Source is the same. How it is, resize mode. I'll do repeat. And inside this, I'm gonna have a clear style. I need the class name. Yes. Absolute, left 0, right top 0. Okay, so now we have this background. Let me remove this part because we don't need it. Why isn't this height full? Nah, not really. I'll do bottom 0, right 0. Okay, so now we are filling the entire space. And inside this part, I'll have a linear gradient. Linear gradient. Wait a second. Expo linear gradient. So we have the linear gradient. Import from Expo linear gradient. Linear gradient. I think I need to do some CSS interop here. Where to add those? I'll add them as utils CSS interop.ts, and I'll import. I'll do CSS interop import CSS in native wind. I'll do CSS interop. The component is going to be linear gradient, and I'll do map class name to style. Okay, and inside the layout, import this polyfill. Utils CSS interop. Great. Okay, and now we should be able to use linear gradient with CSS. So if I do here class name with 20, let's say 20, height 20, it should work. So I'll do start colors, I'll do red and green, and locations. Actually, it's start. And it starts 0, 0, and it's going to be 0, 1. Okay, so we have it here. If I do okay, so this is actually working, you see. Great. So we have added native wind support to linear gradient. Okay, so now what I would like to do is flex 1. Okay, so we are filling this. This is actually visible, like the gradient. Let me go back to where we have the colors. So this is the start of the gradient. I'll do from this guy to this guy. Okay. I don't see the BG. Let's add an opacity of maybe 30. Is this visible? Yes, now it's visible. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, now I think you can see it in the stream as well. Can I use the other way around? I think I'll do it the other way around. So I'll have the linear gradient that has flex 1, absolute, left 0, right 0, top 0, bottom 0. Okay, so we have this background. We are going to remove the opacity for now. Okay, so we have the gradient. And now inside it as a children, I'm gonna paste this image. So it's going to be an image. Okay, let's import image from React Native and let's see if this is going to work. No, not really. Okay, so I need to specify a width. or flex 1? No? With 400? This is weird. Okay, so width 400, height full. Okay, so maybe width full, height full. Nah. Okay. Okay, I think this is better. So now we have a gradient. So let's actually, yeah, so we have the gradient, and now what's happening, guys? It's like, what's happening here? Do I want to have this as a reusable component? Maybe. Yeah, let's create this as a component. So let me remove the tests for now. Move to trash. Then I'll do here noise background ESX, and I'll export noise background, and I'll just paste everything, import linear gradient and image. Okay, saved, and inside noise background. Great. So now we have a reusable component, and this is a pretty decent starting point. Which VS Code theme are you using? So it's called Batman Mono. It's called Batman Mono, is this one. Okay. So we have the colors, we have everything, and now let's also add some constants, maybe. Yeah, let's add some constants. I'll create here a new folder. Constants, and I'll say some constants. Should I add those inside the utils? Yeah, let's add those inside the utils. You know, I'll do a new file, constants.ts, ts, not tsx. Now I'll export const days, weekdays, which is going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Come on, Copilot. And Friday, you know, that's it. So you can only add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, and let's export those as const. The reason is because I would like to have them typed. So what you can do if you do as const is you can also export the type weekday, it's equal to type of weekdays and then the number, and this is going to be either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you know. Ooh, the screen is wrong here. Give me a second. Why haven't you told me, guys? Why does this look like one second. Okay, I think now it's better. what? Okay. Okay. So what I can do now is I can go to the index and actually create a new component saying week list week, just week, export week. And here I'm going to iterate over the weekdays map, get a day and render the day as day and a key as day, and also create the day component, day.tsx. So day is going to receive the day as day, weekday, and is going to render day as day. Hit save, import the day, and let me close the thing here, go to index and render the week. Boom. Okay. So have day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. And what can I do here? I was thinking maybe we can use this animate React Native. It's actually GitHub, animate React Native. Maybe we can use this toggle accordion. I was thinking about, why not? I think I'm gonna use this part here with the accordion, where we are going to display the days, yes. Yeah, I'll install this. So I'll do ban expo install animate React Native. What's the name? Accordion. Browser screen is too small. Yes, I know. Maybe now you can see it. Okay. So since we are using this part, we can remove the text, this text for now, and I'll do accordion. Do I need to do something special here? So let's see the example. Source app. So I have an accordion. Use each accordion. Okay. Set is active. I cannot remember what I did here. Oh my god. Accordion example. What have I done here? I don't know what I did, but anyway, so accordion. So import from animate React Native accordion. Something. Do I have this installed? Restart, yes. What's happening here? Accordion. What? tsconfig. Interesting. Why is this happening? Exclude. Why am I excluding the lib? This is interesting. Why am I excluding the lib? I don't know why am I excluding the lib, guys. Yeah, you know, I'll fix this. I'll fix this open source project. But for now, let's stick with things. So restart TS server. Okay. So weekday, weekday. Okay. I'm going to create inside the constants the colors. So I have some colors. So I will do. Let's not care about the day itself, but here I will do text. This is going to be class name, text 2XL, uppercase. I will do font, Barrow 500, and let's save. That's weird. Anyway, there is. Why is this inside in the middle? I don't need inside the middle. Okay, starting from there. Okay, and the day view is going to be a class. Height, I'll give it 1 by 5. I'll give it a BG black and something. Okay. And I'll do. How is the design? Okay, so day Monday, Tuesday. Okay, I'll give it a bigger 4XL maybe, and font is going to be 700. It's bigger than 700. Okay, layout. Barrow, maybe this is going to be black. Let's add the black as well. Okay, and go to Tailwind. 900 is going to be the black. Okay. Restart the bundler. Go to the day itself, and here it should be 900. Wait. Okay. Here I'll give it a padding of padding on the x-axis of maybe 12, and py, is this on the x-axis? No, it's going to be only on the left hand side. Actually, you know what, I'll do padding all around of 4 and padding left. Okay, let me add a border top and border red 300, 500, 4. Okay, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, that's great. Is going to be min height. Do I have a min height of 1? Nope. Yeah, so I will fix this. This is going to come more dynamic, you know. I'll do it now actually. I'll do style. Min height is going to be divide by week, weekdays length, percentage. Oh, this should be a number, right? No? What? Oh, this is actually 100. Okay, so this is min height. Okay, great. Anyway, so let's go back. I have this part, and now we would like to display the current day. So I don't like this music. Let me switch it. Okay. So here we should display the current day. So let me grab this. Capture OCR. Boom. And I'll do class name. I'll do font Barrow 400, but after the things, okay. And it has a different text, gray, maybe 500. I probably missed this, but are you planning on redoing your catalog of videos with reanimated v4? No, I'm not planning on doing this type of tutorials, but definitely I'm gonna create videos with reanimated 4. Maybe I'll recreate some of my animations that I did previously with reanimated 2 or reanimated 3 and port them to reanimated v4, but I don't plan on redoing everything in v4. Or at least this is the plan for now, you know. Actually, you know, gray, maybe 300. I'll do black. Okay. Okay. So we have something here. I don't like this gray, you know, it's maybe 6. I think this makes more sense. And now we have a list of things. let me actually grab the text. Okay, so I will do some to-do list, and I'll do a to-do to-dos for the day. I'm thinking about the state management now. Most probably. I'll definitely be using like a local first approach here. Maybe I'll be using Drizzle, but I'm just thinking, you know, how to actually store the things. Because I only need Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? So how am I going to... I need to get maybe the current week. Just thinking, you know, how to dynamically get the date and how to store them in the database. Because it's not enough to get Monday, you know. I need the actual date formatted somehow. Yeah, so I need let me install Expo, install DJS. Okay, so I'll be using DJS. If I go on constants, I will they formatter is going to be year, month, day, you know. So pretty much this is how I would like to store them in the database as well. So instead of having Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I would like to have DJS. Man, this TS server, it's really retarded, you know, like what's happening here. What's happening here, guys? How it is days in month, DJS. I don't know what's happening. By this day, okay. So I'll have weekdays. Just let's do it here. I'll have DJS week. Do I have the days in month? Can I get something? Okay, start of the week. So I'll have 5 days, right? And I'll do an array of 5 keys. I'll map through them and I'll return the key. Okay, and I'll return here start of the week, add key day, and I'll format this as day formatter, right? Now I'll just console log the weekdays. Day.js is not defined. What? Ban add? Nope. Accordion. Unable to resolve day.js. What? Oh no. It's like, I don't know what happened. Okay. So we have 19th. Okay, so I think this is right. So now we have the days. I need a formatter. Can I have this typed? No, not really. So weekdays are actually weekdays, you know. So I'm going to remove the things and export the weekdays. So now we have this. Great. So the weekdays, the day is going to be a string. So day will be formatted as year, month, day. Check utils constants. Yeah. Okay. So now what I would like to do is I also need to format it in this way. Day formatter. Actually, it's global formatter, and I'll do const local formatter. It's going to be something like this, but I don't need a timestamp. Do I need a timestamp? Let's edit like this for now, and I'll export this as well. So I'll say here the date is going to be day.js by the day format with the template as local formatter. To-dos does not exist. It's okay. To-do does not exist. Okay, so it's January, whatever, right? So we somehow did it. But I don't want to have the... So it's January 20 is the same? 20, okay. 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 Anyway, I think it's okay. And weekday formatter is going to be day.js, where it is this one, weekday formatter. Oh, it's weekday formatter is going to be d. It's maybe d. Okay. Okay. So we have an issue now because we are starting the week from Sunday. So if I go on day.js, start of week. Day.js start week from Monday. How to make this? Interesting. Okay, let me extend this. So import this from and day.js extend with weekday. I can now refresh. Still Sunday? What? Make day.js week always start from Monday. Interesting. Okay, start of. Okay, I believe I need the start of ISO week, but I need to add the I need the ISO week. Okay, so let me import this plugin and ISO week. Okay, kind of makes sense. So now it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Great. Okay, and I would also like to get the I would also like to get the temperature, right? I'll have here a view. Okay, and then I'll get the temperature. How to do this? Shall I fetch everything for the current week? Somewhere top level. Also cache this because I don't want to always like fetch once a day maybe. Interesting. Anyway, so I think we are okay with like temperature. Let me do this again. Okay, so it's this guy here. I'll have another text. I need another text. No, I don't need. Temperature. This is interesting because I'm in Europe and everything it's in Celsius. With this connotation. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so let's add the to-dos now because we have the day as a string. So to-dos, let's create the to-dos. Component, new to-dos, tsx. It's going to have the to-dos. Oops. What's happening? To-dos. Day a string. And I'm going to go back to this capture the OCR. Okay. I'll have if day is equal to day.js format, whatever. If it's different, this is just a hack, you know, return null. I could easily be doing this. Okay, anyway. Otherwise, I have some to-dos, so I'll create some dummy to-dos, you know. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. What am I pressing, guys? It's like to-dos is this. I believe that I could easily be doing some state. Yeah, so let's do, yeah, no, not for now. So we have the to-dos. So we are rendering the to-dos. We're mapping through them. And we are rendering a to-do. But to-do is not like that anyway. So to-do is to-do. We have more than that, I believe. So we have content done false. Maybe created that? Not really. So we have a content, okay, and maybe an ID as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this is okay, and the first one it's done. Okay, so I think const. Actually, we have a type to do. It's equal to type of. I'll export. Yeah, so I will move them here. I'll create utils mock ts export to do to do's import to do's create a to do. What? No. To do tsx to do going to receive ff to do. This is going to receive the to do as to do, and is going to render the text as to do.content. And to do, this is going to have to do.id string. Okay, and refresh. To-dos does not exist. Okay, let's go to the day, render the to-dos. Export function to do. This is to do. Duplicate declaration of to do. Okay. I'll import the type. Okay. Hit reload. It's okay. We have encountered two children with the same key. Interesting. Do key. I'll just add an index here. Plus index. It's okay. Okay, and I'll just add one more thing here. I'll create a view. I'll add a class name, height 1, width full, left 0, right 0, BG selected. Okay. So how is this? Oh, we only have this part. Okay, so I don't actually need this part. So I'll do class name. I'll do text. Actually, it's font barrel 400. Okay, and I'll say here to do that done. I will add the text through line through, otherwise nothing. Okay, and I will do decoration. I will do selected. Okay, and I'll say here I'll add a view. I'll do class name, width maybe 4, height 4, rounded, small maybe, BG selected. Class name, flex row, gap of 2. Okay, item center. No, it's item center. Why do I have a view here? Rounded. SM. Item center. And the gap, I believe, should be 1. Okay, and I will actually do here an if statement as well. So I'll say how is this? Okay, I'll do to do that done. I'll do background selected, otherwise it's background transparent, and I'll also do border I'll do border selected, otherwise border maybe black. Why not? Okay. I think this looks pretty good. And now if I go to the to-dos, I'll add a gap too, and to the day I'll add here where we have the view, we have a view here. I'll add here also a gap of two. Okay, so just split a bit the things. And the next part, if I go on the to do gap, let's add gap too. Why not? I will implement the selection here, and most probably we are going to also add drizzle, create the schema and whatever. Yeah, and also wrap everything into a scroll view because now Friday is not here. And yeah, so let's commit the things. Style, to-dos, to-do, Day.js, and background noise. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. So I think we are in a good shape with the app now. Don't forget that you can check Usual application. Is this application Usual app? You can see the links down. You can go on usual.app, download it, and for the what it is, React Native, animatereactnative.com, animatereactnative.com. If you go on any animation, you have a QR code here that you can scan, and there is an application for iOS and one application for Android. So you can either go on and install the test flight version, or you can just download directly from the Play Store the application, and you can check all the animations directly there. Yeah, so pretty much that was it. Thanks Software Mention for sponsoring this live stream. And yeah, see you in the future one. Thanks. Discover animatereactnative.com, your go-to platform for premium, customizable, and ready-to-use React Native animations. There are over 120 different animations that are going to save you time, enhance your app, and, in my opinion, is the perfect collection if you'd like to learn more about React Native animations. Visit animatereactnative.com.